Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to update to the latest version of Windows 10, which is 1903. If you are lucky enough, you should be able to go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and open up the start menu and type in check and click on check for updates. And as you can see, I do have the option to download and install the new Windows 10 1903 update. I can simply click download and install now. If you don't have this option, don't worry, we can still download this manually by simply clicking on the link that's in the description below, and you will end up on a page that looks like this. Once you are on this page, you now need to click on update now, and you need to go save file. You now need to run the setup file, and you now need to click on update now. As you can see, it says here this PC is running version 1809. The latest version is 1903. If we click update now, it will update to 1903. I'm going to go ahead and press update now. And as you can see, my PC is compatible with the latest version. If we now go next, it will begin to download the update. And once this has finished downloading, it will then install the latest update. Just remember to save all your current work because you will need to restart Windows. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials.